YouTube. Today I'm gonna show you how to get the phone icon, the messages icon, and the iPod icon on the camera. As you can see, the iPod icon, my iPod Touch 1st Gen. It's empty for now, but you can see videos, the artist and all that other stuff. Simply how to get this. First of all, you have to go to Cydia. Alright. Go search and do flip. Go to the M and you can see MMP flip. Well, for me it's the mobile music player flip from Mod.mi. So you have to install that. Then you search for rename. Oh. Rename. You have to install that too. The next step you have to download from Cydia. It's called Swap Camera Roll. This is for the icon of the camera. So install that. Alright, then you go out of Cydia. Go to the App Store. Search for Frame. Oh. Here you go, you can download the video calls of the Visual Impa, or that. It's a free app. When you install that, you go back to the App Store. And you search for something with SMS. Oh. You can download one of these, and if you install everything, you go to Winterboard. select Teams and hit MMP flip. And respring it. Then you go to rename. And then you search for the app. Frame. You have to call it in phone. PHONE. Oh. E. Then you search for the SMS program you've downloaded. My messages app is called Infinite SMS, and you have to call that messages. Then you search for the swap camera role and change that in camera. CMACAMERA. If you have renamed everything, you go out of that, and yes, it's respring again. You can do this with all the standard apps that are compatible with the iPod or iPhone. Like a compass. You have to change the compass just in renaming the compass, COMPASS, or the voice memos. But as you see, everything has changed. The camera, yeah, you can do nothing with it because you don't have a camera. But the phone, it works. The messages. Yeah. And the iPod. Well, this is my video about to show you how to get these icons. I hope I help you. See you in my next vid.